Right. Today, for inside to receive the body for here, you're not because of what nice. Let's hand over this mic to the woman of the moment. Let's hear from her. Ladies and gentlemen, I will focus attention to this. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. I want to say thank you to my crew and the cast for this wonderful job. There's no way I would have done this by myself. And I don't know what to say. Thank you guys. Thank you. For everybody. Thank you. I want to say thank you to everybody here tonight to celebrate me and my team, because this is a teamwork. I didn't do this alone. Captain Dexy, my able director, I say thank you, well done. My amiable producer, Aderonke, thank you so much. And my wonderful writer, Abdul. Thank you. I came up with a story, and these people here made it into a masterpiece. Thank you. God bless you guys. Santana, my able right hand man, and my spouse son, my boy too. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. God bless you. Well done. I want to remind you that if you want to see the completion of this movie, you have to be at the cinema on July 3rd. And I have some people here that have volunteered to pay for some bulk tickets. Can I have Mrs. Aderonke? She's buying some bulk tickets. We already have somebody that bought 1,000 tickets. And we have a lot of other people that have bought bulk tickets. I want to say thank you guys. God bless you all for believing in this dream. Mrs. Morai now, thank you. I want to say thank you to the chairman and ward of me. If I continue to mention names, Alaji Akinbedo, thank you. But I'm not going to say all this thank you without remembering one person that first of all believed in this dream with me. And that person is Odi, Sheyi Odi. He's unable to come in here tonight because he's held up in Conakry. But his people are here in this hall with us. I want to say thank you to IBD, for your support. MC Okuomo, thank you so much. And above all, my wonderful distributor that will be making in the cinemas from tomorrow. Now Cinema, now entertainment, now movies, now everything. Thank you. And at the same time, what are you doing there? You are part of this cast. I think she's shy. Anyway, I will say thank you to everybody. My colleagues that have taken time out to celebrate this evening with me, I say thank you. God bless you. I love you all. And lastly, I will say thank you to the First Lady of Osun State, Mrs. Aderonke. Thank you for coming. And to the Queen of my town, Olori Aderonke, thank you very much for coming. God bless you all. If I continue to mention everybody's name, we're not going to leave here tonight, and we're not going to enjoy the evening, because after the movie, party after party, let's enjoy. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the cast and crew of the amazing film. The return of Matara Johnson.
In 1, 2, 3, I need you all to take him out. You ready?
Right.
So the cast and crew, please come back right here.
Take him out, take him out.
All the cast and crew, please come back right here. Come back right here. Come back, come back, come back. You have a few seconds to go. Please join us right here.
You see my boy T. Come take him out, come take him out.
Bless this guy, the good division, early in the morning.
You know good location.
By their food to shall know them. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the cast and crew, the director and producer of the return of Matara Johnson. Ladies and gentlemen, 1, 2, 3.
Take him out.
A round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen.
In the same spirit. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go party after party. Ladies and